All right, we had a question around being able to select a date for follow-up to go out and then being able to adjust or pick when the next one goes out. Now, natively, we had it set up to where there was some short-term and long-term campaigns. Short-term sent something every 3 to 7 days for about a month and a half, and then the long-term sent something every 30 to 45 days for at least a year. Some of our clients had requested to be able to select when those campaigns start, what date, and then if something changes or happens, they could pick a date for it to go out. So, with that said, if you have reached out and had us do this update to your system, you will have a couple fields that you can pick from. So, this date selector right here, next follow-up date campaign, this is you're going to pick exactly when you want the follow-up to start or go out. Once you've selected that, you're going to pick your drop down here. And this customer has this SMS quick SMS no response. If we save this now on the 12th, the first one will go out. So as an example, this is the automation that was set up. If we have these things that have been met, and then the follow-up date is not empty, the first content will start going out, the text will happen, and then it'll push the date forward and it'll keep on going unless it has been turned off. So if we come down here, we can see that there's a turn off button that can get it turned off. But otherwise, you have your default text message drips. If you've selected to have our email, text, and direct mail, we've worked with you to get that set up. Those are some of the different options. If you're maybe confused, don't know which ones you have, or you want to take a look at having this date field added, simply reach out with a support ticket and or reach out on the community with any questions that you might have. So reaching support, the community, you can go ahead and ask those questions there. If you need to create a ticket, go ahead and click here and send in a ticket to have that date field added, and we'll kind of talk through what that would look like for you. If you have any additional new ideas or things that you would like to see have happen, go ahead and add it here, upvote it, have your team upvote it. We'll take a look at that as we're doing some of these upgrades and updates across the board to all setups. Changelog will discuss some of the upgrades, what they are, what they do. It'll have a write-up, usually a screenshot or a video kind of explaining it. If you need anything, let us know.